Hey people, so yesterday I attended this very unique, it was called the Abundance Blocks. How to get rid of these certain notions that we have in our head which don't allow us to be rich or prosperous, So it was conducted by this very sweet lady, by this, very efficient lady named Vigneshwari Abraham, and it it was more than an hour, the session, like it was a live webinar. But my god, yeah, I mean, you all should Google her name, Vigneshwari Abraham, because some of the things she spoke about in that webinar were like, it really makes you think, so um, I mean, that's what like, for the ones who can enroll in such a program immediately, it's really worth it. But even just googling Vigneshwari Abraham will kind of, open your mind to the fact that there are indeed these, it's almost a scientific technique, yeah, to re-alter the brain. I mean, because it's true, sometimes it's just about prosperity consciousness or poverty consciousness, and the universe is vibration, right? So wow, it was like a nice physics class from this, very erudite Tamil lady, Tamilian lady, and I've always considered Tamilians to be very intelligent. So do Google it, people. It's called Vigneshwari Abraham, and maybe Abraham and Hicks. There's that writer who also speaks about the law of attraction and all. But amazing program. So just Google it. It is so worth it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.